How to delete downloaded apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all long press on any app you want to delete from your home screen. From the pop-up menu, tap on Remove App. Then, tap on Delete App to remove it from your app library as well. Tap on Delete again to confirm your action. Alternatively, go ahead and open the Settings application. Scroll down until you find and tap on General. Inside the General menu, tap on iPhone Storage. The iPhone then calculates and displays a breakdown of the device's storage, showing how much space is being used by different categories like apps, photos, and system data. Below this, it lists all installed apps, showing their usage size. Scroll through this list to identify an app you want to remove. Tapping on the app opens a new screen with two options for freeing up space: Offload App and Delete App. Tap on Delete App, as shown. A confirmation alert will show up. Here, tap on Delete to remove the app and its data. Following these steps, you can easily delete downloaded apps on an iPhone.